In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Google Ads campaign. Embarking on the journey of creating a Google Ads campaign can seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, you'll find it's a straightforward process that opens the door to reaching potential customers efficiently. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to set up your first campaign. First, navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This will serve as your command center, where you can access all the tools needed to launch your campaign. You'll recognize it by its comprehensive overview and the array of options available to you. Once you're there, look for the plus icon located on the left side of the screen. This plus sign is your gateway to creating something new within Google Ads, specifically your first campaign. Clicking on campaign will take you to the next phase, where you'll be prompted to choose the objective of your campaign. Google Ads is designed to cater to various marketing goals, so it's crucial to select an objective that aligns with what you want to achieve, be it increasing website visits, boosting sales, or generating leads. After selecting your campaign's objective, you'll be presented with a range of campaign types to choose from. Each type provides different options tailored to help you reach your designated goal. For beginners, a search campaign type is a great starting point, as it targets users actively searching for keywords related to your products or services. Next is selecting the ways you'd like to reach your goal. This step involves specifying how you want to interact with potential customers. It could be through search results, videos, or other channels where your ads can appear. Choose the option that best suits your campaign objective. You will then proceed to define your conversion goals. This is a crucial step, as it helps Google Ads optimize your campaign to generate the most valuable actions, whether it's filling out a contact form, making a purchase, or any other action deemed valuable to your business. Once you've clarified your goals, it's time to get creative. Start by naming your campaign. A descriptive and memorable name will make it easier to track its performance later on. After naming your campaign, you'll be prompted to agree to Google's policies and proceed. This action is your green light for Google to start processing your campaign setup. Choosing your leads conversion goals is one of the most critical steps. This is where you decide what success looks like for your campaign. Do you want phone calls, newsletter signups, or direct purchases? Your choice here will guide Google's smart bidding technology, ensuring your ads are shown to users most likely to complete your desired action. When selecting your campaign's conversion goals, think carefully about your business objectives. Google Ads offers a diverse range of options, and picking the most relevant goals will significantly impact the effectiveness of your campaign. Typing the campaign name comes next. This might seem like a small detail, but it's important for organization and future reference. A concise, clear, and relevant name will help you easily monitor the performance of specific initiatives. Finally, you'll click on Agree and Continue. This is where your journey from planning to action reaches its culmination. By agreeing, you affirm that all the details of your campaign are in order, and you're ready to launch into the digital advertising world. Throughout this process, remember that fine-tuning and adjustments are part of managing a successful Google Ads campaign. Monitoring your campaign's performance, experimenting with different settings, and making data-driven decisions will be key to achieving your marketing goals, and that's it. You've now laid the groundwork for your Google Ads campaign. Remember, success in digital marketing doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, experimentation, and perseverance. With the foundation set, you're well on your way to reaching your target audience and achieving your business objectives. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success with Google Ads.